Hello everyone, I would like to talk about Azure Traffic Manager. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Godfrey Sigamani. I'm a lead consultant. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and couple of Microsoft certifications. I maintain a blog, godfreyonline.blogspot.com, and you can find me on Twitter as well. So today's agenda would be an overview of Traffic Manager, routing methods, and a small demo. So before everything, what's Traffic Manager? Traffic Manager is a geo load balancing solution made available by Azure. So it supports Azure VMs, web apps, cloud services with and non-Azure endpoints as well. So it supports any servers or services on your data center or in another private cloud. So it's a DNS based request solution. So let's move on to the routing methods. So there are four routing methods. Priority, it's more or less on a backup endpoint, so it's a failover solution. So maybe your current server when it's down, so it will automatically switch over to the other. So weighted, we can prioritize which server to which endpoint where the requests can be catered. So performance, it's based on geographical locations. Basically, if I am originating a request from the Asian region, so my request will be pointed to the closest endpoint. So how does it work? It doesn't measure the duration, but it maintains a latency table. Azure Traffic Manager maintains a latency table, so it will see how the IP round trips are made, and it will maintain it on its table. So the last one routing method would be geographical routing method. So it's more or less similar to performance, but more onto geographical. You need to do a mapping. For example, let me take a scenario where you have two servers where you want the European region to always connect to a European data center which has a website catered only for European region. So you can take that scenario for geographical routing method. Quickly, let's move on to the demo. So let's go to the Traffic Manager profiles. I've already created a Traffic Manager profile. Let me quickly show you how to create a Traffic Manager profile. So you can give a name, so test. So you can select the routing method, and the subscription, the resource group. If it's new, create a new one, or if you want to use the existing one, you can use an existing one, and select the location. So I'm not going to create one. Let's use the same one that I've already created. Okay, so quickly I'll go to the endpoints. So I have two endpoints, two IIS servers hosting a website, the default website. So if you see, I have one IIS server in East Asia and one in US. So configuration, so we will see the failback performance routing method. So DNS TTL, I have mentioned it as 10 seconds. I'm going to monitor the HTTP protocol, port 80. For fast failover settings, I'm going to probe interval 10. I'm going to only wait for 2 failures, and the probe timeout is 5. So if you quickly see, let me close this. So my response I'm getting from the IIS server from Asia. So let's bring down the Asia server. Let's pause this video. Now my Asian server is down, if you can see. So let's go and check. Now if you see, the request is coming from USA. So our failover is working fine. So if you go to Traffic Manager again, so if you see, the Asian server, the monitoring service is recreated. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching this video.